How to hide messages on Instagram without deleting. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now keep in mind that this will only work on a professional account, which will be public, and it doesn't matter whether it's a business or creator account, meaning that this won't work on a personal account. With that in mind, go ahead and open up Instagram and then go to your messages section. And let's say, for example, I wanted to hide this message right here. I will just simply click and hold on it, and a pop-up menu list will appear at the bottom, from which I can click on move to general. And as you can see, the message now has been hidden and it's now being transferred to this section, the general section right here, meaning that it will be hidden from the primary messages section. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.